Hello, OralMiracle enthusiasts. Christine Hello here. I'm so incredibly excited to finally share what our team has been building for the last 5 years. The all-new next-generation OralMiracle formula. This isn't just an update. This is a giant leap forward for your oral health. Our mission has always been to give you the most advanced, effective science possible. And after half a decade of research and development, we have done it. We have engineered a formula that is so powerful, so safe, and so effective, it completely redefines what a mouthwash can do. Let me show you what makes this new OralMiracle the absolute best we have ever created. First, we supercharged remineralization. We have integrated a clinical grade duo, Nano-Hydroxyapatite to harden the surface enamel, and CPP-ACP, which is the pure building block mineral of your teeth and acts on the deeper lesions. These two ingredients combined actively rebuild and repair enamel deeper and more completely than anything we have ever offered before. Next, we revolutionized antibacterial power. We have advanced to a system featuring iodine and natural enzymes. This powerful combination is a total game changer. It expertly neutralizes harmful bacteria and dismantles biofilm, delivering a new level of clean that lasts. Now, let's talk about some of the brilliant science inside. Every ingredient has a precise, powerful job. For example, we use a minuscule amount of maltodextrin for one reason only: to stabilize our potent enzymes and minerals, guaranteeing that every single bottle delivers maximum performance. It's all about unwavering effectiveness for you. And about the experience, we crafted a clean, fresh, and potent taste that lets the powerful science take center stage. This is just the beginning. We are already fine-tuning even more flavor profiles based on the amazing feedback from our community because we're committed to excellence in every single detail. This new OralMiracle is the result of our unwavering commitment to excellence. It is clinically proven to be our most effective formula ever, transforming enamel strength, cavity prevention, and lasting freshness. And it proudly remains 100% alcohol-free, fluoride-free, and toxin-free, now making it perfectly safe for every single member of your family. This is the future of oral care, available today. We are confident you are going to feel the incredible difference, the remarkable strength, the lasting freshness, the pure confidence that comes with a genuinely healthier smile. Thank you for your belief in us. Now let's experience the next level together.